I think the banks are sleeping and the fintech platforms are actually taking over the market, because just look at how their transactions are very smooth. When you carry out any transaction using any of these fintech platforms, it's very smooth. It's not stressing like the normal or the regular bank that you know. The most interesting part of this thing is not just the smooth transaction, the interest rate that they are giving us when we save our money with them. I made a video on this platform showing you how you can invest 1 million naira using the Fair Money platform, and there my interest was 51,000 naira. I made 51,000 naira investing 1 million naira, and guess what? It was just for a period of 90 days. 90 days. You can actually do less or you can do higher, and you don't even need to have 1 million naira. If you have less or you have higher, you can still do that investment, and they are going to give you a very good interest rate. That money that you are keeping in your bank account, just go and carry it and look for a platform. There are so many options around. Look for a platform and invest your money. And for some people that will say, me, I cannot lock my money for a period of time. They have lock and they have flex. If you cannot lock your money for a duration of time, then you can use the flex. The flex, you can just be saving your money there, and any time at all you need your money that you want to withdraw, you are going to take up your money. But then you are going to have an addition to that money, because there is going to be an interest added to that money. It's not just going to be like the normal bank where you put money and when you go to withdraw, you now discover that the amount you want to withdraw and what you have in your bank account is even less than what you want to withdraw. It's not going to be like that. So if you cannot lock your money for a particular duration, then you can use the flex. And it's not just Fair Money. There are platforms that platform like PalmPay, OPay, VDF Bank, and so many of them, and other platforms like Piggyverse, Cowrywise, Optimus, and Bamboo. And when it comes to Bamboo, you can actually invest in dollar. You can invest using the US dollar, or you can invest using Naira. Whichever of them, you can actually invest using that on the Bamboo platform. So there are so many platforms out there for you. The ones I have mentioned and the ones that they are still out there that I have not even mentioned, just do your research. But don't leave your money in your regular bank again, because it's not going to be adding anything, and you're not going to be making so much money. That money that you have been making for your business or from something, that money needs to grow. It needs to grow. You don't need to leave it like that so that they'll be deducting it every time. Just look for a platform. Look for a way by which you can be able to invest your money. The interest rate, you can actually withdraw it up front. You don't need to leave it. In the video I made, I actually left my own. I'm still waiting for that time for me to withdraw my money. But then you can actually withdraw your interest and still invest it or use it and do any other thing again. That is the interesting part of this platforms. These fintech platforms are doing so well. You should look into it. Stop leaving your money in the regular banks. It is not going to yield anything for you. On this channel, we talk about finance, entrepreneurship, and digital marketing. So if you're someone who is interested in topics like this, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to share how you feel about this video in the comment section. I know you're not going anywhere. You're going to do one of them. At least like, share, subscribe, and YouTube will be recommending my videos to you, and you will learn how to invest your money more, because I'm going to be bringing more of these videos. I bring more of business ideas and I teach you how to market your business.